Can you see my hair? I got this hair from K Hair Company. K Hair Company in Vietnam. I want to say thank you to Julia. Julia received my hair. The quality is top notch. This is raw hair. Thank you so much. Thank you, Julia. K Hair Company, thank you to you. Your quality is good. Can you see? Okay. Can you see my hair? I got this hair from K Hair Company. I want to say thank you to Julia. I received my hair. The quality is top notch. Thank you, Julia. K Hair Company, thank you. Your hair quality is good. It's good. I'm really happy. I'm happy. Thank you. Thank you.